Alright, so I wanted to share with y'all my purchase that I got on Amazon recently of this closet organizer. I was needing a way to store away my sweaters and sweatshirts for the winter. And so this is how they look like when they're all folded up, and you get a pack of 4 with this particular order that I got. But as you can see just how big this really is. And so there's 2 zippers that go around each side. And look at how much room is inside of this big thing. I put in here 18 items. And so this is my sweaters here, but I was able to kind of like fold and roll up the thinner sweaters or sweatshirts and put them on the side. I appreciate that you can see what's inside here. Like, let's say it's not closed, you want to just put your beach towels in here or whatever. Then you can see what you have stored away. And so what I also like is that it has these great handles on each side. I was just able to pick it up and carry it, and really looks so much neater than the way I had my sweaters previously. And so this is definitely a great way to store my items. I'm really happy with the purchase, and like I said, there's actually 4 of these. And so I thought I was going to need all 4 for my winter items, but I don't think that I'm going to need all 4 because this really holds so much. I'm really happy with it, and I think I'm going to be able to store my husband's clothes in it, and like I said, maybe some beach items and things like that. And so I'm really happy with this closet organizer purchase.